Hello people, I hope you're all having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how much Amazon KDP have paid me to really hone down and dominate just these two niches. So if you're new here, then I want to extend my warmest welcome to you. My name is Ben. I like to bring out videos like this on my self-publishing journey and all the hints, tips and tricks that follow. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to smash that subscribe button and also be sure to join my Facebook group if you're serious about self-publishing. We're a community of over 900 of us now, and we're all in there to help each other, and we all have a mutual goal of finding success through publishing online. So all the links are in the description below. On top of all that as well, be sure to check out the Royalty Accelerator course by the Residual Royalty Academy. Not only is it an amazing course, but it is also an amazing community. There's a lot of success in here. There's a lot of great content as well that's helped a lot of people get to 4 figures a month or even more. You can just see from the testimonials down here, included myself, that so many of us have implemented what he's taught to get us to where we want to be. This person's got to £2,000 per month within 3 months of starting his KDP journey. So that's absolutely amazing. There's tons of success stories in there. And what's better as well, if you click on the link in the description below, it's 20% off for a limited time only. So be sure to hop on this course. I'd love for you to be part of this community as well. But guys, really without further ado, let's get into what the topic of this video is about. So keeping it really simple, people, for the year and a half I've been publishing on Amazon KDP, they've paid me $36,300 in royalty. And if we have a scroll down here, you can see the breakdown of royalty by pen name. So it's in the order of largest to smallest, the largest being this one here that's given me $16.2 thousand since I've started publishing. Now, if we take the top 4, that's going to equal around $32,000. And no, I'm not a mental maths wizard, guys. I calculated that beforehand. So that comes to around just under 90% of my total income has come from these 4 pen names. And between these 4 pen names, they've come from just 2 niches. So how did I come to earn the majority of my income from just 2 niches? Well, it started this time last year, around October 2019, and I published 2 books in the same niche about a week apart. And I'm going to show you through an example of football and soccer here. So I was working towards 1,000 books. Most of them were notebooks at this point, and I decided to stick my arm out and create something a little bit different. So I created a coloring book in a particular niche. I'm going to use football, soccer as an example. So that was the first one I published, and I created sort of a DIY, high content you could call it, book in the same niche, and that was about a week later as well. So between these 2 books, it really started taking off towards the Christmas of 2019. And they've just been selling really well ever since. I mean, every day between them, they make me around $20, at least that. So it's really nice. It's a gift that keeps on giving. So I found these 2 by luck, but it's also something I have an interest in. So actually it kind of works out really nice. I mean, the other winning niche I do, I never really knew about until I found it. So you can get away with doing something you're not interested in, but it definitely helps if you're interested in with a niche that you're publishing in. So anyway, I made these 2 books, and I was like niche surfing at the time. I was trying to find other profitable niches, but then at the same time I wanted to make the most of the opportunity of this niche, because I knew this niche was profitable. So what different types of books could I make within this niche? So obviously I've got a football, soccer coloring book. You know, there's stadiums in there, there's different football players, etc., all within this coloring book. So what else can I do? You know, a football or soccer planner, so I can put, you know, pictures of different stadiums for every week or something like that. So that's another option that I could do to start broadening the books that I offer within this particular niche. I can make a bunch of notebooks as well, so, you know, notebooks with funny quotes that, you know, football fans will understand and laugh at. Or I can just put photos of different types of footballs on the front, etc. I can make a word search based on football and soccer, so I can take football jargon, stick it in a word search, package sorry, package that up into a title that I can use to offer to my customers. You know, it's all about offering as many titles as possible to our customers, giving our customers as much options as possible within a certain niche. So that's what we're doing here. So educational as well, you know, this is more on the kids side, but you can do, you know, like a letter tracing one with different letters representing different footballs or football players or whatever. You can also do like handwriting stuff. With a quiz book, you can find quizzes on football online, packaged up in a nice little book to give to your customers in this niche. You can do non-fictions books like I did with the actual niche as well. And you can also offer activity books. So you've all of a sudden got a range of books that you can offer within this niche, just to broaden the titles and really capture the majority, the most you can out of the niche, while offering quality books to your customer. But that's not it as well. Each one of these can be subdivided further. So we can subdivide it into age. So let's have a look at toddler, kids, teenager, adults, and elder. So especially with educational, this can be divided up between toddler, kids, and teenagers very, very easily. If we have a look at the coloring book as well, again, a very, very easy divide here. Toddlers, kids, teenagers. A toddler one would be a very simple coloring book because they'll probably be using a crayon, do you know what I mean? But if it's for adults, for example, they'll probably be expecting something a little bit more detailed. So you can subdivide coloring books to provide different coloring books for different age groups. So you can see that you're diversifying the niche even further here. Again, with the word search, this is where elder comes in as well, because elderly may not have the best eyesight. I'm not generalizing, but I've seen a lot of large print word searches do extremely well on Amazon. So that's something you could target specifically at elderly and people with poor eyesight as well. Again, with the quiz book, you can really, really niche that down. Teenagers, kids, toddler, adult, elder. So it's really great here. You've got even male and female. They've probably got a growing number of female fans of football and soccer as well. So you could do something within these books to target to female football fans. So you can really, really niche down in that sense. And before you know it, you can offer hundreds and even thousands of different titles within the same niche. And that's what I've basically done with the niche that I first found by publishing a coloring book in there. And that's how you can really diversify and make the most out of that niche that you have found. So I hope you have found this helpful, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. If you want to know more, then all of this is taught in the Residual Royalty Academy course. The link is in the description below for 20% off. But otherwise, guys, thank you so much for listening to this video. I hope it's been helpful and a bit of an eye-opener for you. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care.